Well, hi folks, welcome back. Appreciate you tuning back in. Today we're going to show you one of the Nielsen Group's newest listings here in the reserve at Newcastle. It's on the 6th hole of the China Creek course. I can't wait to show you. We got some really great custom features. A custom home by Boitano, built in 2006, 5,200 square feet with a beautiful backyard. We might even have time for some pizza in the back. So come in, let's take a look around. Okay, before we go inside, in light of the coronavirus that we're all muscling through, we want to make sure to keep you guys safe when you come through the house. So we're going to put on some gloves, glove up for each and every one of you. And then of course, we do want to protect our face, so we're going to put a mask on as well. And we got these inside for every one of you guys, so please come on in. Okay, so I'm going to take this off just so you can hear me a little bit better, but right out of the chute, you're welcome with a beautiful entry space here. As you can tell, nice tall ceilings, crown molding, archways, right into the dining area. And again, you can see right through to the golf course, sitting on the 6th hole. Travertine floors welcomes you here. And off the right side, you'll notice we've got a pretty cool custom media space. So this was originally designed as an office that they've turned into a nice media room with the triple TVs to keep up on all the sports, as well as a nice wet bar, the beverage chiller, and a prep sink. Easy access right to the backyard, and you'll notice the Fore putting green, which we'll play around here shortly. So I love the wrought iron railing, takes up to the 2nd floor. And then we take a spin right in here to the Butler's Pantry, complete with a sub-zero freezer, monogram beverage chiller, the Miele coffee maker, and a lovely prep sink here. Large pantry, the Costco closet. And then prepare to be blown away by this entertainer's paradise dream kitchen with a massive granite island, beautiful cabinets. Not a 4, not a 6, but an 8-burner Wolf professional grade cooktop. Probably hear built-in sound. You could sure have a lot of fun in this kitchen. And as you see, we're gonna get some pizza going outside and see if we can't win a little Top Chef. We've got a great family room as well with 20-foot ceilings, a large blue beam going through the middle of that. Boitano, the number on this room. Rich hardwood floors, nice family space, and then of course the outdoor kitchen. We're going to show you that here in a little bit. But spin down this hallway here. I want you to see the nice powder bathroom and the home office. Great home office here as well. All right, so now we've taken a walk through the inside. It's a beautiful custom home again by Boitano Construction. I want you to see us along the golf club in Newcastle. Imagine being out here working on your short game all quarantine long, so that when they do get the lift and get out there and play golf, you'll be on fire. So we're on the 6th hole, just off the tee box. It's a beautiful setting. I'd say we're about a 6-iron away from the green. And this house comes complete with the Dream Turf, a nice little 4-hole putting area, equipped with some nice Newcastle flags, nice covered patio, stamped concrete, plenty of seating areas, place for a fire. What I'm really excited to show you guys is this pizza oven. So come on over here and let's get some pizza pie. Okay, so let's throw this pizza in the oven. You've got a wood stone pizza oven here. We're cranked up to 500 degrees. Get this in here, bake you guys up a nice pie. Tell you about this lovely outdoor space. All right, so this is where it's at. This is the sizzle, all right? This is your upgraded outdoor kitchen patio. You've got a full prep sink. You've got an 8-burner Viking professional grill, stamped concrete, music and speakers built in throughout. Definitely a place to hang out, just conveniently located right off the kitchen there. Okay, oh, it's piping hot. That's what we're talking about. Let's throw this thing down on the table. We're gonna prep this thing up real good later with some pepperoni and maybe some pineapple, but for now, let's get upstairs and show you guys the upper level with the master suite and a fitness room. All right, getting my fitness on. A little pre-core exercise, got your Peloton. Look at the view out outside. Again, back into the 6-hole golf course. Nice gym space with upgraded flooring with a closet, also considered the 5th bedroom. Let's see the master suite. Look at this master suite. Double door entry, great sitting area, lovely gas fireplace, tile surround, and a beautiful peaceful view looking out over the golf course. Don't miss the master bathroom. You better believe it's got the heated floors. Ooh, that feels good. 2-sided vanities, oversized soaking tub with champagne bubble jets. Can't miss those. Oversized shower as well. A couple of different heads. Take a look at the closet. Lots of room in there. Okay, so just down from the master suite, you're gonna find a nice little beverage center here for your morning coffee, cup of tea, or maybe a refreshment out of the gym. And then we find our first guest suite with vaulted ceilings, nice natural light, walk-in closet, and a bathroom attached. Okay, so the final wing down here over the garage, you're gonna have the laundry space, side by side with a washer and dryer, lots of cabinets, little sitting area here, a guest suite with an ensuite bathroom, and then a junior master at the end, which doubles as a bonus room for sleepovers and movie nights. I think this is a great space to have your parents or your friends stay for extended stay with a nice walk-in closet as well as ensuite bath. Okay, so I got a special bonus for all you dog lovers. Come check this out. Even Fido gets a little bath here just off the garage access room with a good sized washing area and outside a short porch for dog run. Shall we get some wine for that pizza? Check it out, 800 bottles. Categorized by region in Italy, France, California, Washington. You name it, we got it. All right, so we got this beautiful kitchen. Evening glow has come and we're just fixing up these pizzas all real nice. Get some cheese on here, smatter on that, a little pepperoni. We hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Come out and see us. Shoot us a call. I'm Sean Nielsen with the Nielsen Group. Call Ashley or Christina. We're here to help you. And as always, stay safe, stay clean, and always stay hungry, of course, right? So we'll be at Nielsen Group on Instagram, northwestluxliving.com, on the internet. And please give us a like, give us some comments on YouTube. We would love to have you guys come see this house anytime. Hope you enjoy our pizza. We're gonna get crack-a-lackin'.